this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to put password in MS Word file. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your MS Word. So I'm going to choose a template right here as an example. So I'm going to choose this particular template. Then having opened up the template, what you need to do next is to simply navigate to file right here. Then open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to info. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on protect documents, and this is going to drop down right here. What you need to do is to simply click on encrypt with password, and it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply enter your password. Caution: if you lose or forgot the password, it cannot be recovered, and it is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in safe place. Remember that passwords are case insensitivity. So you need to make sure that you enter a password that you can easily remember. So I'm going to simply enter password. Then I'll come down below right here. I'll make sure I click on OK. Then I will have to re-enter the password for the confirmation, just like so. Then I'll hit on OK. So you can see it right there. By the time we try to open the document. So let's simply go back and close this particular tab and click on save. And save it to my desktop, and I click on save. So by the time I try to open it back in MS Word, then it will ask me to enter the password, as you can see right here. So once I enter my password, then I'll be able to hit on OK, and the document will open up back without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to password protect your Word document file without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.